So the next thing we need to do is to head over to the service area, and here this will be automatically created for you, so you can edit it or delete. I will choose to delete all of them. Delete this and delete this too. So I really don't have any services. So head over to your categories, and that's the next thing you need to do. I know you have different services, but as a hairstylist or a barber, I know there are some hairstyles you can group together. So right now, you can actually add category, let's say dreadlocks, because I know there are different types of dreadlocks. So let's say dreadlocks, and create, hit another category, call it braids. I'll just use these two as an example, and I'll hit save. Now this is where you need to add a new services. So on this category, you can services, you see dreadlocks, you can now create a service and upload a picture of dreadlocks and everything. So right now, and leave this is if you have multiple team members, so you can click on apply to all team members, then it can be changed later on. So how long is this gonna last? So let's say this is going to last for 1 hour. You put in 60 minutes, then you put in buffer time. Buffer time means how long is it gonna take you to prepare, like when you finish one haircut to another, to clean up anything. So you can use 5 minutes as your buffer time. How much is this service gonna cost? Let's say $50, for example. You put in the location. If you are in person, that's good. So in person, so it's another category. This service is another category, dreadlocks. Now you can choose to hide some specific services so that people don't see them unless they actually go to a user's account. So that is just it. The next thing we need to do is to upload an image for it. Choose any image you want. I'll use this for example, or which one can I use for it? Let me use this as an example and save the image. So it has been saved. Now I can hit create. So enter service name. So this, let's say this is sister locks, and you hit create. So you can duplicate them, and I'll name this sister lock 2. I just need to create another service, that's why hit create, but service creations are always the same. So I'll now hit another I'll go back and hit another duplicate page. So if this is a different services, now let's say I will call this particular one bread, let's say cornrows, right? Now we'll have to change this to bread and remove it from breads, and updates, change the image, change the time, change the price, same thing, and hit create. So that is it. Now if you go to breads, you will see cornrows. So upload everything you want. Now this is for classes. Classes means if you want to train people for a special event, you create classes so people can register, and it lasts for like 1 hour or so. I don't think you'll be needing this for this time. And now let's move over to the next thing we need to do, since we've created our services.